Welcome to lesson 7 of practical biostatistics. Thank you for viewing. To the viewers who have subscribed, thanks a million, and for those who haven't subscribed, please do so. We have looked at comparative statistics for one group and two groups. For today's lesson, we will be looking at how to test the means for more than two groups. If your data fits normal distribution, choose parametric testing, for example, analysis of variance or ANOVA. The null hypothesis that you are testing is that there is no difference in the means of the variable measured among the groups. If p is less than 0.05, you may proceed to Tukey's test or Tukey's HSD or Tukey's honestly significant difference, which is a pairwise comparison to show which groups among your data are significantly different. However, if your data do not fit normal distribution, you may select the non-parametric statistics, for example, Kruskal-Wallis test for equal medians, where if the probability of p is less than 0.05 in the Kruskal-Wallis test, you may proceed to the post hoc Mann-Whitney pairwise test to see which groups are significantly different. So within the context of statistical analysis, this is what we will be covering. Let's try this out in Excel and pass. So this is the CFU data collected from 5 sites. As count data does not follow normal distribution, we should log transform it. We can do log transformation by typing for the following equation, and then we can drag it to repeat for the other cells. So once we have transformed the data, we can use parametric testing. So in Excel data analysis, you have ANOVA, single factor or one-way ANOVA. We have selected the labels in the first row, and the output range will be here. So in Excel, we can see the different sites with their averages and variance, and we can see that the F value is 33.3, where the P value is less than 0.05. That means there is significant difference among the sites that you have chosen. However, in Excel, there is no post hoc analysis that is built into the software. For further testing, let's try pass. Again, we will paste the data that we copied, select all, and then under univariate testing, ANOVA, serial sample test for ANOVA. So you can see here, one-way ANOVA, the F value is this, P value is here, and it shows there is significant difference among the groups. So if we copy and we paste here for comparison, you can see that the F values are the same, the P values are also the same. So the advantage of pass is you can immediately see the Tukey's pairwise results. The values that are below here are the Tukey's Q value. whereas the values above here, diagonal values here, are the probability values, and they have highlighted the ones that are significant. So site D, the counts from site D are significantly different from the other sites. So site A versus site D, site B versus site D, site C versus site D, and site D versus site E. So site D is significantly different from the other sites. So this is for parametric testing. So in past, you are also able to carry out non-parametric statistics, Kruskal-Wallis test here, where you test for medians to see whether the medians from the different groups are similar. If the Kruskal-Wallis test is significant, you can proceed to the next step where you can look at the Mann-Whitney pairwise comparison. You can check out the Bonferroni corrected p-values to see whether the medians from the sites are different. Dunne's post hoc test is also available as a non-parametric test if Kruskal-Wallis is significant. So thank you, and please remember to subscribe.